fam, is your girl back again with another great video to help you make money online. In today's video, we are diving into two super easy ways that you can make money online by using two amazing, easy to navigate platforms. So guys, if you have 20 minutes of your time, just stick around with me. I'm gonna take you step by step and show you these two amazing platforms that you can use to make money online. Now, what does these platforms hold? You're gonna use free images to make that money. So grab your drink, hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and let's get started. Today is your very first time. Thank you. If you've been here before to watch my video, thank you so much. The very first platform I'm going to show you is a platform that is called Unsplash. So we're going to use this platform to download images, to get free images that we're going to use for this particular project. First things first, what is Unsplash? If you check my screen, the internet source for visuals powered by creators everywhere. What Unsplash does is you go to the platform, you look for images. Any image you get from Unsplash is free of charge. You are not paying nothing. Unsplash is just like Pixels or Pixabay, which I'm also gonna show you in a minute. Now, when it comes to Unsplash, guys, photographers from all over the world, they upload amazing videos, amazing pictures. Anybody from anywhere in the world can get hold of all these amazing videos and pictures and use them for their projects, even for commercial use. Why is this important to us? Because we can use these images to make money without paying a dime. Now, we're gonna look for images and select the one that appeals to us, which is the one that we want for our design. Inside of Unsplash, let's get those images. This is the website for Unsplash. Now, remember, you would have to sign up, then log into the platform for you to use the website. Okay, photos, illustrations, wallpapers, nature, and all of that. You can see the pictures, images of dogs are out there, so you can click on view more, so you have more images of dogs. Now, at this point, you're going to select the one that you like. Now, what I'm gonna do, if you type in here free dog images, now you can see there are so many beautiful dog images on the platform. When you click on it, it shows you the download arrow here. It's downloaded, so you just click on save, download as many images as possible, because the design you're going to create isn't just going to be one design, because you want to use this to make money. This is how to get your free image from Unsplash. Now, let me quickly say you can also get free image from Pixabay or Pixels. Okay guys, so now we have our image at hand. We're gonna go straight to the fun part of this project, which is the designing, the editing. We have Printify. Printify is an amazing platform. It's a website where you can get beautiful designs. We're going to use that image we have downloaded from Unsplash and create amazing designs inside of Printify. And those designs are the designs we're going to sell to make money. Guys, so we're gonna go straight to Printify. We're gonna sign up to the platform. If you already have an account, you log in. How it works: trusted by over 8 million sellers around the world. Easily add your design to a wide range of products. Now you connect your store. That is why so many people like Printify, because you can easily connect your Etsy store with Printify. And the moment somebody, a customer, finds the product from Etsy, Printify will do the rest. They will print it and send it out to that customer. You will just relax as you're sipping your cup of tea. The money will be rolling into your bank account. This is a kind of business you're investing zero amount of money, because what you'll be charged will be when you make a sale. They take their own part of the share, and that is it. And they take just a little. We're gonna head over to Printify. where we're going to do our amazing design. Create your free account and select the product that you want to sell. Is it t-shirts, hoodies, tote bags, mugs? In this video, I'm gonna go with a t-shirt because everybody loves a beautiful, cute t-shirt. Next step is that beautiful image that we downloaded from Unsplash. We're going to upload it onto this design. Click on this and we select image from our device. Go to photo library and that's the image there. Click on done. You can also take out the background of the image if you want. Click on save. So basically this took just like 2 seconds to download the image, upload it, and that's it. So the next is continue to publish. So we're moving over to the third step, which is setting up your store. Now Printify and Etsy, they go hand in hand. For the benefit of this video as well, I'm gonna suggest that you use Etsy. Etsy has huge customer base and it's easy to navigate. So having said that, create your Etsy store, link it to your Printify and start selling and making loads and loads of money. Signing up to Etsy, go to Google, type in etsy.com and this is how the platform looks like. Just click on where it says register. Create your account. Registration is easy. Add your email address, add your first name, create a password, and then click on register. Step 4 and the last step is about promotion. So we've just created the product. The next thing is how are you going to promote this product so that people will see it. It's all about visibility. The more eyeballs sees your product, the more chances you stand of making a lot of money. The way you promote this is by using your social media platforms. If you have Instagram, TikTok, Facebook, YouTube, LinkedIn, Twitter X, any social media platform at all, you can use it to promote your product, because the more you're promoting it, the more people are getting to see the product and the more they're gonna go to your storefront and buy the product. So that is how to make a lot of money using Printify, Etsy, and Unsplash. And that is that, guys. I hope you've learned something from this video on how to make money using Printify, Etsy, and Unsplash. This is where I'm gonna draw the curtain today, and thank you for sticking around with me. Do not forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and also do not forget to click on the bell notification. Once again, thank you. I hope to see you in my next video. You might want to watch the next up there. Thank you.